Jamaican done.
Mampy, easy. Mampy, easy. Officer, you know, see man, respect the civilian there, you. No bully people, man. Talk to people with respect. Talk to him with what? Officer, well, talk to him with what? Why you bring to him, man? Why you bring to him, man? Talk to him, man, easy. Why you bring? Officer! Officer!
You tell the people them say move out of the road. And this man that come call me pussy.
No, policeman that call civilian pussy. No, man.
Shut your mama.
No, man, they patrol a war. You don't know we are going out here. Officer, wow, who is it? Don't you know? Get your phone from him. Get your phone from him.
Hey, no, go ahead.